Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this fraction. 4 divided by 8 over 8 divided by 4. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. Instead of this fraction, we can write parentheses, the numerator 4 divided by 8, then divided by denominator 8 divided by 4. Now we have two parentheses and one division. Okay? According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, parentheses comes before division. And as we know, when we have more than one parentheses in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this parentheses, then this parentheses, and finally this division. Okay, 4 divided by 8. We can write 4 over 8. So we have 4 over 8 divided by 8 divided by 2, which equals 2. Okay, so we have 4 over 8 divided by 2. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1, and 8 divided by 4 gives us 2. So we have 1 over 2, then divided by 2. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Our second fraction is 2 over 1. So we can write 1 over 2, then times 1 over 2. And this is equal to 1 times 1 gives us 1 over 2 times 2, which equals 4. So our final answer to this problem is just 1 over 4, or 0.25. Okay, 0.25.